Welcome back to another cocktail video.
My name's Lee.
And I'm Bree.
And today I'm going to teach you how to make a little twist on the jungle bird called the Carolina bird.
Let's get inebriated. Alrighty, that's how you make the Carolina bird. This drink, I definitely would say, is more on the bitter side. So if you're a sweet cocktail liker, drinker, maybe add a little bit more of the simple syrup to this one because it's obviously very customizable. But the bitter, I really like the bitter in it.
Yeah, of course we're using Campari, classic kind of bitter aperitif. Or is it digestif? It's one of the two. And it just adds some bitterness to a drink. It's got a nice kind of orange flavor to it as well that works perfectly for this. And it's also got some kind of vegetal, earthy kind of notes in there too, which if you try the passion fruit that's in here by itself, the passion fruit is a little earthy and vegetal too. So that kind of works together really well.
I definitely like the way it smells as you're drinking it. The aromatics in it is really good.
It smells kind of almost floral.
I do smell that too. Well, if you want to learn how to make cool cocktails like this, come check us out here at the Distillery. We've got a ton of different events like classes, dinners, we do tours. You can come and taste all of the different rums we make. And Lee here creates all the cocktails or does his research, so it's really awesome. But check us out. Our website has all the different cocktails on them as well as on our YouTube page, and everything is going to be down in the description below. So until next time, we'll see you later. Cheers.